nagtuon man ako magsuti og Bisaya. Kaya lang, walang kapraktisan sa istoryahan sa Manila. So, Tagalog na lang, please.
Hindi, kumuha ka ng boyfriend at
Pass, Mayor. Mayor, napag-usapan niyo po yung gera?
Hindi naman. Wala naman masyado. Minention ko lang kung ano. Kung nakita niya mo sa balita.
May access dito sa balita?
I do not know. I do not know. Hindi ko alam kung meron.
Yung gamit natin doon.
Kasi hindi naman natin alam kung pinag-uusapan sa loob o hindi.
What did he say, Mayor?
About what?
Yung tinanong ko na balita.
Wala naman siya comment. Sabi niya, magulo yan.
Hindi niyo po napag-usapan yung ano, I believe hindi rin niyo gusto i-monitor yung hearings ng past week.
Yeah.
So hindi na siya pinag-usapan.
It's not allowed inside the detention unit. We're not supposed to talk about the case. Yeah.
But how is he? How is he? Kasi po yung huling, yung closing statement ni Mr. Kaufman revolved around yung visit niya, how the president seems parang prepared to meet his parang laban na.
I do not know. We do not talk about these things when we're inside the detention unit. We just talk about, like, everyday life and personal things.
The candidacy of your sister, VP Sara, was that
No, I did not mention
Hindi
it.
rin politika.
Hindi namin pinag-usapan. I forgot to mention it.
Sino pong mga kinamusta niya sa pamilya?
Mga apo.
Oo, yung pinaka-namimiss niya.
What about the performance of your
Clear.
vice mayor?
Clear, ma'am. Clear. Oh, wait lang.
Oh, hindi na.
Teka lang po. Sorry.
Sir, what about the performance of your vice mayor na ako din niya? Was that
No, just ask about Davao in general. How is it? Sabi ko, wala, it's okay. Relatively, could be better than anywhere else in the Philippines. So, yun.
Sir, what about the Marcos administration, yung feud with your family? Was that also?
No, kasi wala eh. Wala na kaming pinag-usapang ganun. All we talked about was the midterm elections and the results of the midterm elections. So that says it all. Parang nandun na yung lahat ng kailangan mong malaman about the Marcos administration because they did not win in Davao and they put so much money invested so much in Davao City. So that says a lot already.
He's not yet looking at the 2028.
Wala kami pinag-usapan na gano'n ngayon. Maybe tomorrow, maybe some other day. But wala, I'm just happy to see him again.
And what was your impression kumayad pa?
Of course, lahat naman siguro pag ikaw nilagay sa detention unit, you get depressed, you don't want to eat the food because wala kang gana.
Hindi pa rin siya
I think that's natural for everyone, huh?
Hindi ba rin siya naka-adjust sa food here?
It's not the food, it's the situation
Clear,
that it's in.
Sir, what about birthday plans? 81st birthday malapit na. Napag-usapan?
No,
Kayo po, wala po kayong pinaplano for him? Perhaps the whole family gathering here for the 81st?
wala. We don't even celebrate our own birthdays.
Left, sir. Left, sir. Left, sir. Left, left.
No,
Not anymore.
no, because it's just in the family.
It's just a practice.
Yeah.
Ganun lang, sir. Hindi siya parang nakagisnan.
Hindi ko alam eh. Parang Wala, I really don't know. We just don't see the need for it. Ako,
Mayor, were you able to talk about the decision of your sister?
Wala.
Okay.
wala.
So, paano ang sir? Parang arrangement with the family? Paano po yung rotation din?
Depende. Ako, less likely na makakasama sa rotation. Kasi mayor ako ng Davao. Mahirap na matagal ako mawala. Pero, syempre, gusto ko rin makita yung tatay ko.
Mayor, I understand
Kaya sumisingit.
Mayor, I understand na sabi ni Tito, hindi na kayo nanood nung confirmation of charges hearing. But how optimistic are you na the charges will not be confirmed against your father?
Optimistic. I do not think
Okay, ma'am.
I do not see the ICC as I do not know. I cannot be optimistic about the situation since this is a foreign institution and I do not know. It has its own issues. Even the United States sanctioned the ICC, right? They have issues with the United States. So it's hindi ko alam talaga. I do not trust this thing that you call the ICC. Because most of the people that are in there are from developing countries.
Correct.
Wala kang makikita dyan na you know, from the EU or whatever, or Western countries. You know, you don't find people there from a West-leaning nations. So they just use this institution to intervene in the domestic affairs of a country. And I do not know how, but that's my theory. Well, let's just leave it at that. But that's my observation. So, ano, pakialam talaga kung anong magiging result nito. All I care about is my gratitude to people who are supporting my father, those who believe in him, and especially the things that he did for the Philippines during his administration. So yung mga naniniwala sa kanya, mas may pakialam ako doon. As far as kung ano mangyayari dito sa ICC na yan, I do not trust that institution. Well, there should have been a proper way of putting him inside the detention unit, and he was supposed to go to the local courts, but none of that was followed. The protocol was not followed. Okay? So, why is he there? So that's the main question. Yun pa lang, kailangan pinag-uusapan na natin. If that institution is truly, you know, for lack of a better term, kung maayos talaga, then they should send him back and follow the usual process. Diba? Kung talagang honorable tong institution na to. Because they know for a fact that this person inside, who seems to be my father, who is my father, kinuha, nilagay sa isang eroplano without going to the local courts, and was sent here in the Netherlands into the detention unit.
Yes, correct.
So, anong asahan ko?
Yes.
So, how can I be optimistic in an institution that cannot follow its own rules?
Yes.
So, Mayor, just to be clear, no member of the family watched the proceedings. Is this intentional?
No, di ko naman alam kung nanood sila or hindi. Nalaman ko na nga lang sa inyo na ano na di sila nanood.
Okay. So, hindi naman siya sadya. Talagang hindi lang, on your part, hindi
No,
sadya.
because you know, if you really want an answer from me, it's just the narrative of the left against our narrative.
Yes.
That's it. Sino ba yung mga nandyan? Mga NPA naman yung mga nandyan. Kasi sila yung tinamaan during the time of his administration. And they went around Europe and, you know, playing the victim card. That's it. That's basically it. So that's my narrative. So it's my word against yours, and yours against mine.
And then also, sa proceedings, si Mr. Kaufman, essentially 2 points. One is that it's politically motivated. And second, that there's not enough evidence. Doon sa politically motivated, may mga Marines na lumabas. Tapos he wants to look into the participation of former Senator Trillanes. What do you
That's why everything is speculative in this situation. That's why I don't want to listen anymore, because it started, you know, with romanticizing what could just have been let's say a result of the policies that was enforced during the time of his administration. Eh ngayon, I really don't know. It's a complex situation. You have the ICC involved, and you have these people from the Philippines or left-leaning, and you know how these are socialist states, you know, the European Union. So there's so much ambiguity around everything that's happening right now.
Do you think your family should prepare for any eventuality given
We're always prepared. We're always prepared. Even my father is prepared. Wala kami dito para iiyak lang. You know? It's politics. Most of it is politics.
kayo po humingi ba ng advice sa kanya sa pamumuno sa Davao?
Wala naman.
Hindi siya
No, I just ask him kung may gusto ba siya, you know, if I need to do anything because maayos naman yung lugar na yan. From his time, it has been improving until sa akin ngayon. So, I do not know. I'm not supposed to be the one that's saying this because, you know, like, we just won the election just recently, and the best, I think you should ask the people how they feel about the governance in Davao City. I'm not the best person to answer the question.
Wala po kayong-
If you want empirical, you know, data, ask the people. Do not ask the politicians because the politicians will always promote themselves.
Pero kayo po walang balak to run for a higher office?
Why would I? Hindi. Tangin lang yan.
28. Bakit?
Because there was a survey.
Fucking tired and sick of it all. Wala. Okay na yung Davao kung may mahalal tayo na maayos na presidente na talagang, you know, like that will take care of the money of the people. Tapos, you know, it's well allocated, and the national government is somehow decentralized enough that, you know, like the provinces will benefit from it, then why not? And, you know, I can always work under an administration. If ever nandyan pa ako ng panahon na yan, as long as the head of state is of sound mind, not this guy here in Malacanang right now.
Do you have a message for your supporters?
My supporters,
Your
I think,
father's
my father's supporters, of course. Unang-una sa lahat, maraming salamat. Pangalawa, alam ko, because you really believe in my father, nasasaktan din kayo, but kailangan yung tumiis lang kasi nasa sitwasyon tayo ngayon na di natin na naiwasan or di natin pinili. So, kung ano man yung mga nakita nyong, or if you have learned anything, or may gusto kayong nakita na gusto nyo ipatuloy, then you can manifest this through votes. Kung may nakita kayo, kasi wala na, because nobody can run for the presidency again. So if we choose another leader for the Philippines, then piliin nyo yung tao na kung saan nyo nakikita yung nakita nyo sa tatay ko.
Nakikialam, I mean, may input din po ba kayo sa case niya? Like, for example,
Ano pangalan mo, ma'am?
Zen Hernandez.
Zen Hernandez, ABS-CBN. Magkaibigan tayo.
Kami ay nasa gitna.
Okay. So what's your
We are
question again? You were saying?
Nawala tuloy ako.
Mayor,
Hindi, may tanong si Alvin tuloy.
sige.
Oo.
Mayor, what's the first thing that former president asked about Davao when he saw you?
Kumusta lang? Kumusta lang? Tapos sinabi ko, nag-oath na ako. Ako na yung mayor. Okay. Sabi ko, pag bumalik ka, di balik, pagka ikaw na, ibalik ka lang namin doon as mayor.
Gusto pa rin niya to be mayor.
Hindi, sabi niya, yun eh. Pero, alam mo, yung tatay ko dyan sa Davao, kahit ayaw niya pa, people would go to his house and force him to file, a certificate of candidacy. So, and I don't think he's going to deny these people who come to him, who want to him as the mayor.
Mayor, what's your reaction about those individuals, particularly asking sort of due process should an arrest warrant against the ICC be presented to them?
I do not know. That's why, di ba, I explained earlier, why would we talk about due process when it has not been followed? There's a precedence na nangyari na eh, yung sa tatay ko. So ngayon, kung may ICC pa, kukunin si Bato, kukunin whoever yung kukunin nila, bakit mag-uusap pa tayo ng due process? Kasi gagawin lang naman ng administrasyon na to and whoever they're conniving with kung ano yung gusto nila. they do not look at the law. They do not follow the processes. So why would we talk about it? Why even discuss it? What's the point?
Correct.
You should ask them, not me. Because my opinion is, based on my observations, and I can only tell you kung ano yung nakita ko. But ask them, why do they not follow the rules? You ask the institution, you ask the administration.
Hindi niyo pinapayuhan si Bato?
Si Bato, hindi ko pa nakakausap yun. Matagal na kasi nagtatago, di ba?
Yun, sa case pala yung sa lawyers, nag-i-input po ba kayo doon if you're satisfied with the performance of his legal team? Or that's up to the VP?
Oh, mostly kay VP. Because I'm not a lawyer, alam mo yun. Siguro, syempre, may mga opinion ako, pero tingin ko, immaterial na rin kasi sa case eh.
Like, what? Bakit?
No, it's just out of frustration na alam mo yun, parang matagal, di ba? Parang syempre, gusto mo yung makalabas na yung tao.
Yes.
Ganun lang. It's just,
Pero walang parang to get another set of lawyers. Kasi pala sabi ni Mr. Kaufman, pang confirmation charges. So, if it's up to the family if you will ask him again.
kung may ganun mangyari, it's up to the Vice President. Sa kanya na yun kasi siya yung she's the leader of the pack.
Okay. Alright, thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Tama
sir.
na yan, tama na. Ano?
Susunod sa inyo nagbibisita.
Hindi ko alam.
Walang ganun.
Hindi ko pa alam niya.
Thank you, sir. Mabuhay ka.
Okay.